All right, so piddling around job today. We're going to take these shackles out that I welded up a while back. So we need to go, just to be level, we need about another 1.25 inches dropped out of the rear from the ground to the fender well. It's like 34.5 in the back, 33 in the front, 33.25. So we're going to cut, maybe just even weld two of these. I haven't decided yet, but we're going to weld these puppies in so we got more. Go longer, man, or shorter, actually. Fingers crossed. Let's go. So step one, we're going to shorten them up. Shorten them up a little bit. Not these. There's so much steel right there we don't need. So probably actually end up using some of that steel from down here for bracing. But we're going to cut them to 6.5, like so. And then probably weld them on the inside like that. That way I can plug weld it almost, like down in there. Just give it more structure. And then maybe on the back side, give it just some more bracing. Just kind of weld that thing in there like so. Give it some strength. I don't know. Sounds like a good idea. Got something in my eye. That's what we're going to do. First one, cut. Second one. Here we go. Don't look, kids. All right. So now we have all 4 of these cut. Right? Was that only 3? 3. Oh. Whoops. 4. One to go on each side, like so. So now we'll clean up all this paint. Depending on what side I weld in or out, I don't know yet. But yeah, so we do that, weld them together. Weld in some of that for bracing. We'll be good to go. All right, got the cuts made. Got the paint cleaned up. It's good enough. It's not going to hurt anything. So we're going to line up the last hole, the first hole on here, and just get welding. Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, never mind. I need to weld that. But, yeah, got them welded. Welded pretty nice and tight. A little bent. But whenever we go put that on, it moves pretty easily. So we'll just push it out. That one's pretty straight. Just got finished welding that one spot. Let's go. All right. So, I got the first one in. Look at that. It does look pretty cool. Ain't gonna lie. But probably still gonna weld a brace down in there. I don't know yet. But now, gotta do that one. Yeah, here we go. All right. So there we go. We're in there. In there like swimwear. Still got play. Still good. Got plenty of room. Plenty of room. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. I like it. I like it a lot. That will do. And then, give you an idea. So I measured up there. Still like 33. Back here, it's like 33.25. So yeah, it's pretty level. About as level as it's going to get. And then eventually, we'll go lower. Probably not too much lower though. We'll see. So, we're done. I like the way it looks. Came out good. Dropped me a little bit. I think I'm just going to leave it. So I ended up putting the brace across the top of it. So I don't plan on going any lower. At least not for a while. So, and I can make these anytime. But yeah. I don't think that looks too bad. I like it. I like it. It will work. Yeah.